Hey guys, it's Maddie, and today I am in my garage. I know it's kind of a mess in here, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my slime, and yeah, so let's get started! Okay, so first I'll need a container. Got a container. Next, I need a bottle of glue. So I'm just gonna grab my bottle. Got it. And here I have paints and glitters. And I need 1 second. Sorry for my bad filming. This is my first video. I need some activator. I got more glue. I need some. I'm gonna set you guys down for just one moment. Got a mixing tool and got some shaving cream. Okay, so set you right here, and let's get started. So first off, you will add your glue. I recommend Elmer's. Washable, no run, and make sure it says non-toxic. Elmer's works best, so that's why I use Elmer's. So twist off the lid. You're gonna get your bowl, and you're just gonna pour your glue into your bowl. Try to get as much out as possible. I want you guys to be able to see. I like trying to fill the whole bottom of my bowl up with my glue, which I got that this round. And in the comments below, I want to know what you guys are being for Halloween. Okay, I think that is good. So I filled up a lot in there. I like adding my shaving cream second instead of my color, because if I add my color, then the color automatically changes because of the shaving cream. So I add shaving cream in next. Make sure to shake it before you add it in. And I don't add a bunch of shaving cream because sometimes when you add so much, it will make it like, you know, not fluffy. It would make it fluffy, but I meant, sorry, not, you know, jiggly and stretchy, and so. And if you want, I gotta find right through it. Oh my God, we're on my fork. Sorry, guys. Just 1 moment. Again, this is close to one of my first videos I've made. Oops, did not mean to throw that in there. Oh well. So don't mind my bad YouTube. So you're just gonna mix it in with your glue. Until it's at the right consistency. It wants to be like a runny shaving cream almost. Like this consistency. Like this. So it's still super thick, but yeah. Okay. Next I'm gonna add my color in, and I'm just gonna do this paint. Sorry guys, I did not mean to flip. Yeah, so I'm gonna do this paint. Just gonna pour a little bit into my slime. So I just added a tiny bit in because I'm gonna add some glitters as well. And so I added just a tiny bit. I'm just gonna mix it. Oh yes, this color, I love it. Look at the color, it's just so pretty. That's the color. Okay, next you're gonna add your glitter. I'm gonna add this pretty pink in first. The pink in this slime, I'm gonna lift it, is beautiful. It sparkles and it's amazing. I think I'll add this sparkly, kind of like confetti-ish blue into mine now. I'm just gonna add a little bit because it does tend to poke you. So this is what my slime looks like. So now you're just gonna mix it all up. Ooh, I love this. This is beautiful. The flakes tend to, this is what your consistency should be like. Kind of like a runny. But the flakes tend to get inside the slime, so it is hard to see them. But once you play with it and stretch it, you should be able to see them. So I'm just gonna put my glitters and paints away. I have this all organized, but now, there we go. I got it, okay. So now you're gonna add activator. I use Gain, but you can use Downy. And you can use Tide. So what you do is I have my cup and I just fill it up a little bit. Not like a lot, but not like a little. Like halfway up to the thing. And what I do is I pour a little bit in at a time. So this is how much I start off with. I start off with a lot in my slime, a lot compared to other people. But what I do is I do some in each corner, and that's almost perfect enough for your slime. Then I just mix it. I keep mixing until I feel it's the right consistency to touch. Which right now, it's slime, but it's not the consistency yet. So this is my slime. And it's pretty nice. I'm not gonna start playing with it yet. I'm gonna add one more little drop. By little, I mean a little bit. Because if you overactivate your slime, you have to do a whole process to overactivate it, and it takes a long time. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my hands now. So basically, when people go in with their hands, they add a little bit of activator onto their hands. So I added a little bit of activator. In a second, I got something on my hand. But they get their activator on their hands, get the slime, and they just play with it. In this consistency right now, it feels like one of the best slimes that I've made. Because usually I overactivate mine a lot once I do videos and stuff. I really focus on my slimes. For some people, if this is their first time making slime, I recommend them not to pick up their slime for like as soon as I did. I recommend them to wait. Because it could get a little bit out of hand. And you don't want your parents coming in and yelling at you, hey, why didn't you know, wash your hands, or why do you have that all over? So tend to keep adding a little bit of activator on the hands at a time. Because your slime will be sticky, but it will get to a good consistency. My slime is still sticky. Look at it. You gotta work fast with your slime. Okay. For people that this is like their first time playing a slime ever. Dad!
Jiggy!
Ma!
I didn't know you were out here. That was me. I didn't know there's Shiggy Boogie out here. You're making slime.
Maybe. There's my mom. It's my mom. It's my mom.
Hi. Are you live?
No.
They
And
didn't have Wonder Woman socks at Target, so let's look somewhere else.
they have them at Walmart. Can you just order them? Okay, so for Halloween, I'm being Wonder Woman. If your slime tends, after you add so much activator in it, if it's still sticky, all you need to do is add a little bit of shaving cream. So, ooh, I'm gonna add a little bit of shaving cream into mine because mine's still pretty sticky. Just a little bit though. And also, I want you guys to comment what videos you want me to make. I want to become a famous YouTuber, but I know I'll never become a famous one. So if you guys could help, that would mean a lot to me. It looks like I had a lot of shaving cream. I didn't add a lot. I promise. And your slime, after you mix it all in, let me just finish mine. Okay, my slime is done. And look, it's so nice. Ooh. I have a cut on my finger in the game and slime. It's really stinging. And if you look closely, you can see the blue and the pink and the glitter. Here's a blue one right there. And if you look closely, you can see pink as well. So you guys want to hear the clicking? So yeah, that is the clicking. This is a really nice. And I got this slime. Yes, it's a really, really jiggly slime. Okay. So that is it for today's video. Make sure you give it a like. Comment other videos I should do. And also comment what you're being for Halloween. And subscribe. Thank you guys, and have an amazing day.